Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today, by the title, we're gonna be doing a chit chat. Get ready with me while I do my honey makeup look, because this has been my favorite color. I got some new palettes, we got to be testing them, and you guys liked my makeup from my last video, from my Hush makeup, so I thought I would do the same eyeshadow for you guys. So yeah, I don't really talk to you guys, I feel like, so here's me talking to you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is prime my face, and I'm just taking my Wet n Wild Dewy primer. So yeah, we're just gonna pop this on. So my face has really been disrespecting me lately, you guys. I have a lot of acne marks going on. Like, I got some pimples, I got some scarring. It's just some not cuteness, okay? Yeah, so basically I'm just trying to get on the right track with my skin. Nothing's helping. And I got like hives, kind of. I don't know what it was from. I have no idea. This makes my skin hella glowy, guys. I don't really use this primer. Like, I just got it. Like, oh, we hella glowy. Load. This has just been really disrespectful. We got some marks. And I'm trying to use like aloe vera and stuff. So like, I've only been in 1 day. So like, if it helps, I'll let you guys know. But for now, my skin is really bad. So now I'm going to take my foundation, just my LA Girl one in the shade Nude Beige. You guys know the drill. Just pop it on. I don't like a lot, so I just do a minimal amount, right? A normal amount. Yeah. So I got a little story for you guys, because since we're doing a chit chat, so I got a little story about my dog there. So yesterday was International Dog Day, Puppy Day, whatever day. So I posted on my Instagram of my dog. Is he cute? Yes or yes? Like, my dog's not ugly, right? So this kid messages me. He's like, is there no option? I'm like, what? Like, bitch, what? So I'm like, is there a get off my Instagram button? Because that's exactly what you need to do. Like, how are you going to diss my innocent dog that did not do anything to you? That is so cute. Like, Carli, come up here. Like, do you guys see this face? Like, what ugliness is there? There's no ugliness. So I was like, bro, you need to go. You need to go, because you're hurting my feelings. Actually, no, I ended up hurting his feelings because I was being rude. Like, don't diss my dog, okay? He's a cute dog. And then he had the nerve to ask for a follow. I was like, no. You don't diss my dog and now you want to follow? I don't think so. Number two, I don't really know. I actually do not know you at all. So yeah, I was like, boy, you best get off my Instagram. He's like, I only care about the numbers. I'm like, I don't. So skirt, bye. So now I'm gonna be taking my concealer. This is the Wet n Wild in light medium beige. Just highlight this so we look super bright. So cute. My skin looks horrible. You guys know when like your skin is not doing great and then you pop foundation on there and it just kind of make it look worse. That's what's going on with me, guys. So I'm gonna take my Covergirl powder. Oh, whoa. And I'm just gonna set my eye down. A lot of you guys are asking where I live. I live in Canada, Calgary, Alberta. So if you guys live here, hit me up. We can be friends, you know? Yeah, I feel like Calgary is actually really hella boring, guys. So yeah, I mean, it's nice in the summer. There's more to do. But like, Toronto is the place to be in the summer. It's just really busy there. That's the problem. Yeah, we're just gonna all let this bake at 150 degrees. We don't want a high temperature. We don't want to burn. We don't want to burn, guys. So, I forgot what I was gonna say. Nope, I don't remember what I was gonna say. Nope. And you guys always say, oh my god, your skin's so good, girl. It is not good. And I have a filter on my camera. Like, it kind of auto filters. So, like, it makes my skin look softer than it is. So you guys can't really see my acne. But, like, right now, it's, like, really bad. I think this is, like, the worst my skin has been. Just because, like, it looks like I have hives on my face. I don't know. I really don't know what to talk about, guys. My life is so boring. Like, it's really not exciting. I'm not in school because I hate school. And I have no idea what I'm going to do with my life. And people judge me for not knowing. But I'm like, hello, I'm only 18. So, like, why are you judging me? Okay. Like, I don't know what, like, how I'm supposed to know what I'm supposed to do, you know? So, I'm just here chilling. Yeah. My parents are okay with it right now. They said that I kind of, like, next year, I think I need to, like, go do something. But, like, for right now, my main focus is YouTube. Yeah. And they, like, are really supportive of me. So, yeah. They know it's, like, a passion of mine. It's always been. So, yeah. If you guys didn't know, which you don't know, I used to have a YouTube channel when I was, like, in 8th grade. Okay. It wasn't on this channel, it was on a different channel. But then I left all the videos up, by the way, but then I deleted them because my brother told all his friends, and I got really embarrassed because I was, like, young. And then I was like, you know what, I don't really care. So I made a new channel, and this is it, you guys. So yeah, I don't really care what people think anymore. Honestly, YouTube helped with me being really shy and really, like, kind of be nervous and stuff. Oh, I'm just taking my NYX powder. Yeah, it helped me, like, boost my self-confidence a lot. Yeah, definitely am more proud of who I am. Yeah, I just really don't care what people think. I think that's the key to most things, is just not caring what people think, because you're gonna have your haters, what I like to say, naysayers. You're gonna have those people, and then you're gonna have the supporters, and the people that are your haters you don't want in your life. You want these supporters. So yeah, you just gotta learn to cut off people too that are, like, no good for your life. I think that's what I did a lot in 2017, to be honest. Not, like, near to me, but, like, honestly, I was like, I don't have time for you guys, so, like, I'm cutting you off. Like, cut it real quick, okay? Just, yeah. I'm just like, who cares? We're just gonna bake our face, okay? I'm just gonna tell you guys, like, the products I use down below, because, like, I can't talk and do my makeup at the same time. It's impossible for me. I'll try and remember, but, like, most likely I won't. So I'm gonna be using my Milani blush in the shade Rose DRL. Oh, guys, this blush is hella nice. It makes you look so glowy. Like, I don't know, I'm really into, like, that glow look, as you can tell. Yeah. This makes me look so glowy, guys. So nice. So yeah, I'm so excited. It's spring, guys. But in Calgary, it still looks like winter. Still feels like winter. Okay, it's like there's so much snow on the ground. And I just don't, I don't know. I was not meant to live in Canada, okay? It was better when I lived in the States. Even though I complained a lot, just taking my Milani bronzer in the shade Soleil. Yeah, it was better when I lived in the States, guys. Like, it was hot most of the time. There's only, like, a week or so that we would have, like, cold weather, but it was mostly ice. Y'all who live in Texas, you guys know what I'm talking about. I'm sick, by the way. Like, my throat hurts. But yeah, Texas is way better, you guys. There's so much stuff to do, number one. Okay, it's warm most of the time and it's just so nice. Like, Canada is not for me. Like, it's for some people, it's not for me. So I'm just spraying my face with some Badescu. Where's my fan? I feel like I have more to tell. Oh yeah, so you guys are wondering like when my birthday is, all that. So my birthday is July 18th. So I'm a Cancer. Yeah, I'm 18 right now, so I'll be 19 in July. What up? If you guys are, comment down your age down below, because I would like to know. I am, oh no, I don't want that one. I'm gonna be using my Wet n Wild new shade in the shade Golden Flower Crown. This is my new favorite shade. It's like a gold. I love gold right now. I'm like into gold everything. Oh my god, you guys always ask like what highlighter I use. I only use Wet n Wild really, guys. I'm like hella cheap, so you can't forget your nose. Like, it's a must. Oh my god, guys, this is so nice. Oh my god, so nice. Okay, I'm gonna highlight my cupids, but ooh, we blinding people on the streets today in this cold weather. People probably look at me like, girl, you're wearing all that makeup. That's okay. People actually think I look 12, which is really disrespectful. Okay, I think at least I look 14. Okay, I look at least 16, you guys. Like, to be honest, let's be real here. And people think I look like so young, but you know what? It's okay, because when they're old, I'm gonna be looking like, when I'm 30, I'm gonna be looking 20. I'm 18 right now, I look 12. That's okay, whatever. So I'm gonna take this shade from the Biege Cosmetic Carli Bybel. I'm gonna just pop in this on my entire eye just to get ready. But yeah, you know what? Us that look young and we're old, we're blessed, because we're gonna be looking young when we're old. You know? I mean, age does not catch up to us. Yeah. I'm gonna be taking this crease color right here, and I'm just popping that in my crease to get ready for the shadow. And this is my Morphe M441 brush. We bougie. Use code Brooke for 10% off. Just kidding, guys. I don't have a code because, yeah. So we're gonna go into our Hush palette. This is Bad Habit. If you guys have your Anastasia palette, get that out. But I'm just gonna be taking the shade here called Fab. It's like the same color as my hoodie. It's just a little bit darker, just like a mustard yellow, guys. And we're gonna pop this all on our lid and in our crease. Just blend it in. I don't know why I like this color so much, you guys. And it's like so springy. I love spring and summer. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do a Milani inspired makeup look, because like her makeup looks are so pretty, you guys. She did this yellow and green and yellow and orange red. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna do one of those. If you guys don't listen to Milani, you need to hop on her, okay? Because her music is fire. And you guys cannot disagree with me, okay? Her music is bomb. If you don't like her, that's your problem, okay? But yeah, this palette, this is like, I feel like this is like the only, okay, I like all the shades in here, but like this shade is like gonna hit pan first for sure, because I like this one the most. And yeah, so yeah, I think most of my viewers are from the States. That's what it says when I look at where everyone's from. It's like 80% from the States. So shout out to you guys. There's like 5% from Canada. Y'all don't support me, that's okay. I'm taking the Wet n Wild one, and I'm just going to take this shade right here, and I'm just gonna pop my inner corner, because we want to brighten up the look. We want to look cute. We want to look glowy, you know? You want to outshine the haters. So, stay hydrated. Stay hydrated, guys. I need one of these. Oh my god, this kind of matches my outfit. If you guys don't know what these are like the tamarind candies. They're called pulparindo. They're Mexican candies, guys. I get the mango flavor because it's the best flavor. But they're like tamarind. So good. I had these when I was first in Texas, and then a Mexican store opened in Calgary, so I bought a big box of them. They're like hot and spicy but sweet at the same time. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes. These are the Kiss ones. These are like my custom made ones that I made. They're like the style Graceful, and I like layered other ones on top of it. I'll make a video for you guys soon. I don't know when, but they're like really flirty. So I'm gonna be right back. So I got my eyelashes on. Hello, flirtery. I said flirtery. Bro, I'm actually dumb. Fluttery. I'm just gonna dust this away. I'm going to like Florida in April, and then I'm going to Miami in May.
Florida's the state.
Yeah.
Correct, so you say Miami.
No, but it's different places.
Oh.
It's Florida, Orlando, and Miami, Florida. I don't know, bro. So I'm just gonna take my palette. I'm just gonna take the same shade right here and pop this on my lower lash line. Cause you know we gotta be even from the top to the bottom. Am I right? I'm right. Taking my Lash Paradise mascara.
Lash band isn't as hard to do.
Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Lash band isn't hard to do. I'm taking my Lash Paradise by Loréal, popping this on you disrespectful. Okay, bye. Hello, you're still in my frame. You know what, whatever. And I'm just gonna pop this on. Gotta blend them lashes together. Without mascara, you look innocent. And then with mascara, you're like, boom, you're a bad bitch. Wow. Favorite YouTubers are Nicole Guerrero, Desi Perkins, Luster Lux, Summer McKean. I feel like that's all. Oh, Tati. Oh, what's her name? Jackie. Ina. And that's really it. I have a lot that I watch, but like those are like my go-tos. So now I'm gonna be doing my lips. Okay, guys. I only use one. It's NYX Soft Spoken. If you guys want me to choose other colors, too bad. I like this one. My lips are crusty. Okay. So that is gonna finish my get ready with me, guys. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you guys like me, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to love yourself, you guys. So yeah, until next time, I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.